There were two specific incidents. One was a patient in the ER who needed early treatment, and I prescribed her hydroxychloroquine. She did great. I was threatened with being fired. And it was so bizarre for two reasons. One is, first of all, she did really, really well. So why did anybody get involved? The other, more foundational, is there had never been a situation where the hospital interfered with what I did for a particular patient. That is not actually the hospital's job. Doctors practice as individuals. So if I've done something wrong, bring a medical malpractice case against me. It's not the hospital CEO's job to say that ER doctor can't prescribe that medicine. In fact, that violates the law. It's called the corporate practice of medicine. You're not allowed to have a corporation practicing medicine. And California has the strictest CPOM, corporate practice of medicine, statutes in the country. But there I was in California having the corporation telling me, thou shalt not prescribe this FDA-approved medication. And we had pharmacists who by law are not allowed to interfere with the doctor's decisions, routinely interfering. I don't know if any of you had the displeasure of going to a chain pharmacy with an ivermectin or hydroxychloroquine prescription. And in that interaction, the pharmacist would say, why are you taking this? Are you aware that it's not legal for pharmacists to ask you that? A pharmacist is not allowed to ask you the diagnosis. You may not know that as a layperson. It may seem normal to you that the pharmacist should need to know. But in fact, it's very important the pharmacist doesn't. It's a small community. He's not sworn to the same privacy. There's all kinds of reasons. Not only was it routine, it was routine at the corporate level. We have screenshots, I think it was CVS, where they would like pop up red alarm boxes if you got a hydroxychloroquine prescription. This alarmed me as a lawyer.